Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Museum of Geology. Now I am starting from mineral number 94, which is sphalerite. So the silicate structure cannot be defined in this portion, and I am starting from the crystal system of sphalerite, which is tetrahedral, and there are the habit of sphalerite is massive, hardness is 4 and specific gravity is 4.5, and the luster will be resinous to adamantine, and color will be black, brown, also yellow and white, and the streak will be white, reddish or brown. Cleavage is perfect, fracture is conchoidal or brittle, and the occurrences of sphalerites are zinc in metasomatic deposits with galena in hydrothermal load, and vein deposits in replacement deposits. Number 95 is spin. The habit of spin is massive, the hardness is 5, and there are the specific gravity 3.5, the luster is adamantine, the color will be brown, also grey, green or yellow, streak will be white, and cleavage is imperfect, and fracture is conchoidal or brittle, and the occurrences of spin are accessory mineral in acid, igneous rocks, in metamorphosed limestones. Number 96 is spinel. So the crystal system of spinel is octahedral, and there are the habit is often twinned. Hardness is 8 in specific gravity 3.6. Luster is vitreous, and the color of the spinel will be black, brown, green, red or blue, and the streak will be white, and there are no cleavage, and the fracture will be conchoidal or brittle. Occurrences of the spinel are in ultra-basic igneous rocks, some metamorphic rocks, low in silica content or alluvial sands. Number 97 is sterolite. So the habit of the sterolite is prismatic crystals, and there are the hardness is 7 and specific gravity is 3.8, and there are the luster is subvitreous to dull, color will be brown and streak is white. There are fair cleavage and conchoidal fracture, and the occurrences are medium grade metamorphic rocks. So viewers, it is all about today's important and distinguishable physical characteristics of the minerals. Let's wait for my next video for more information. Thank you.